Hello friends, do you know the major difference between successful people and unsuccessful people? There is one major difference. If you can understand this, you will also become successful. Because of not understanding this, many people are not successful. Let us jump into the actual topic. Why we are not successful? Why only few people are successful? There are two categories of these people in this world. First category are those people who are very much interested towards success out of lot of curiosity. They will try to understand many things, all the success formulas. They will go through the books. They will listen to the audios, videos of successful people, but out of curiosity only. They are interested, but only with curiosity. Out of curiosity, these people will learn all the things. They will increase their wisdom, but they will not practice the wisdom what they understood. The another second category of people are those people who are very much interested, but very much committed in practicing what they understood. This second category of people are very much committed and they'll jump into practice whatever they understood. The first category of people, they'll out of curiosity they will understand many things, they learn many things, they will become good speakers. They will speak a lot but do nothing because only curiosity is there. There is no serious interest in practicing what they understood. This first category of people, what they will do is, whenever small obstacle comes in their path, they will just stop and thinking and they will not work, they will not go forward. Even small obstacle can obstruct them to travel towards their journey, whatever the goal they are thinking of. They are not seriously interested. That is the only reason. The second category of people are very much serious. They are here only to achieve the goal, not to just think of the goal or discuss about the goal. So, if you are falling under first category of people, you may have interest out of curiosity, maybe knowing many things, but try to see whether you are implementing all those things which you are understanding or not. If you are not implementing, if small obstacles are stopping you, that means you are only curious man. You are not seriously interested to achieve your goal or reach your success. So, instead of being in first category of people, try to jump from first to second category of people. Be committed to whatever you understand. Be committed to your goal. Try to find formulas for success, but implement them. Only implementation matters. Only practice makes a man perfect. There is no other way than this. If you are only curious people, you will become very much wise person, but not practical man. You are never going to become successful. So, why to waste time? Let us jump into practice. Practice, practice, practice is the only way. Curiosity never works. Seriousness towards your goal, seriousness towards your path only matters more. So, if you wanted to be second category of person, let us now jump into practice whatever you understood. You might have understood one small line. First practice it. Try it in whatever the way you want. Don't think about obstacles. Obstacle may come. Obstacles are natural. Obstacle will go away in time. After a few days, they will not be there. You will be there. Your success will be there. Be serious and be confident about what you understood and practice. Practice. Only practice makes a man perfect. All the time, please remember, this is an ancient formula. All wise people are only practical people. They are not speakers. They don't much speak. Whoever is very much successful, try to see, they will not speak much. They will do much. They are the doers. Only doers will achieve all the things. So, my dear friend, try to be committed towards what you understood and practice and achieve whatever you want in your life. Thank you very much. If you like this video, like the video in YouTube and share this to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.